Can you cook the most delicious meatloaf in your charcoal grill? I'll show you how. I'm sure you'll enjoy this recipe and cooking method. This meatloaf is very juicy and smoky flavored. Let's start with the ingredients. 2 pounds ground beef, 1 pound ground pork meat. If you prefer, you could do it all beef and no pork. Evaporated milk, optional. Black pepper, 1/4 of an onion. Garlic powder, olive oil, barbecue sauce, 1 egg, salt, saltine crackers. Start the charcoal on one side of the grill. Now, for this cooking method, we'll use 2 cedar planks. Cedar planks are normally used for cooking salmon, but we'll use them for our grilled meatloaf recipe. Soak the planks in water for a few minutes. Finely chop the onion. Mash the crackers. Now, let's mix everything, starting with the meat. Add the egg, onions, crackers, olive oil, black pepper, garlic powder, barbecue sauce, salt, evaporated milk, optional. Now, place the planks on indirect heat. That is, on the opposite side of the fire. Cover the grill with the lid. Ideal temperature, between 300 and 350 degrees. This should take about 1 hour. And that's it. Red, brown crust, and juicy inside. Great with mac and cheese, mashed potatoes, or vegetables. Now, we received great comments about this cooking method. So, we'll come up with more ideas of dishes to cook like this. Let us know if you have any thoughts. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel.